Hey guys, welcome to the channel.
Today we are going to see the macOS Ventura, and these are the Macs which are supported. All in all, you just need to see whether your MacBook, iMac Pro, Mac Studio, whatever it is after 2017 or at least 2017 to install this. You can go into settings, go into general and software update, and it should show up here. Like mine is on the Ventura, so it will not show up, but it will just say it is up to date. Here it is. So you can do that. Apart from that, do turn on all of these, specifically security responses and system files. It's really important. Now the other thing, do subscribe to the channel, so you will get this. Click on all for all notifications and it should look like this. Do subscribe to the channel. Apart from that, let's get into the main features. And there are some things which I didn't like about the macOS Ventura as well. So remember those. If it was important to you, then they're gone. So I usually end up checking my Mac storage, MacBook Pro storage every now and then. And earlier, I used to just click on about and it used to show up here and under storage. Now you have to go into more info, and then you get this entire thing. Then you scroll down and then you go into storage settings. So it has become like a 3-4 click sort of a thing, which is very irritating. But yes, Apple has changed it now, so this is how it's going to look. The other thing which it's got is this new redesigned settings app. So now everything is very different. It's much cleaner than before, but yes, it's all changed. The other thing which is good is the battery section, where you have low power mode now. So if you require the low power mode to be there, it's there. Earlier it was there, but it was never termed as low power mode. So it is very much in line to the iPadOS or iOS counterparts, and they have really tried to make it like this. My take is that Apple is really trying to integrate this, and they might actually come up with touchscreen displays. What do you think? Let me know down in the comment section and we'll talk on that. But I really think Apple is going to come up with touchscreens maybe in a year or two, and that's why everything is becoming so big, as in the buttons and everything. So I think it's going to happen, but let me know. And this settings is truly inspired by iPadOS. So yes, that's there. Okay, now the other part of it, everything else remains the same. So everything else is the same, so that's fine. Now let's get into the other part of the Ventura section. So if I see there is a new clock app, I dived into it earlier. So you have an entire clock app, and now you see why I'm saying that it's going to be touchscreen, because you know it's too, the buttons and everything are they're too big to be operated with a mouse pointer. There definitely is going to be a touchscreen which is going to come, but yes, it is really like your iPhone. You can add stuff from here, you can add countries, cities and time zones and all of that. So that's there. You can even set an alarm, stopwatch, timer. So that's the clock app, nothing else over here. Okay, apart from this, let's quit this. Now let's get into the exciting parts. So you have Stage Manager now. So Stage Manager is basically it is basically for iPadOS, but now it's there on macOS also. And let me go ahead and turn it on. You can see how it behaves over here. You can either be really you can benefit from the Stage Manager, or you can't. It truly depends on how you look at it. But suppose if I again draw up the clock app, this is how it's going to look. So it's basically good for multitasking, and as you can see, since this is a good big screen, if I make it smaller, you'll be able to see this coming up here. So you can quickly multitask, and it's really good. All the apps come here. Earlier you had only this part where you could do a 3 finger flick, and this is what was there. but now you have got this stage manager. If you are into this, then I think it's really good. But if you, as soon as you if the screen is too big, or you have a big screen, then you have to swipe to the left to draw up the stage manager. But I think it's a useful feature. You have to get used to it, but it's there. Now let's go on to the next one, which is basically using your phone as a webcam. So let me turn on FaceTime. So after I switch on FaceTime, you have this entire thing of use your iPhone as a webcam. Now this is a really good feature. So let's say I want to try it on right now. Now my FaceTime app becomes this, iPhone disconnected. So I'm just going to take the iPhone, and this is how it's going to look. So the iPhone becomes a webcam, and on my iPhone it says whether should I pause it or should I resume it. So I'm clicking on the pause button, this, that, and I don't even need to unlock it. Like you can see, it's giving me a message that you should unlock it, but this is how it looks. It is so very exciting. Let me pull up the screen a little bit for you. So this is how it looks. I think it's a good overall thing, and you don't even need to dock it. It can just be in your hand and it can do it. Now I'm going to click on the disconnect button and it should go away. Now it's disconnected. So it's gone, and you can see all the notifications here that it is disconnected. To add it from the camera list, you can also do that. You can plug in the iPhone also if you want, all of that. So that's the FaceTime part. It's a really good thing to have. The webcams of the new Macs also are not that good. MacBooks rather are not that good. But if you can get it from your phone, why not? The continuity camera, it's really good. Now a few more things, and then I would really love to know down in the comment section of what you think about this update, and let's chat on that.
Now let's look at the last part of it,
wallpaper part. So as soon as you go into wallpaper, you'll be able to see all the wallpapers which are there. Now this is the new Ventura wallpaper, and you can select what you want. I am a dynamic person, so I'm going to keep it at dynamic. But you can see all the earlier macOS updates also, updated wallpapers also. But they have also kept these wallpapers which do not pertain to my MacBook, but they're still there. Apart from that, you also have solid colors and everything. So they have really kept all the possible wallpapers which you had previously, like what you maybe get on the iPhone to a certain extent, is what they are trying to replicate over here. So I think it's a good thing to have all the accesses. Like I really like to keep either this one or this one as my wallpaper, but yeah, so they have this, and I think it's a good thing that they have kept it.
And with that, we are at the end of the video. Do let me know down in the comment section if you have any queries with regards to macOS or anything, and I'll be glad to help you out. As usual, thanks for watching.